If you're experiencing issues with receipt scanning in QuickBooks Self-Employed, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the errors effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with uploading and processing receipts. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the QuickBooks Self-Employed app. Check for updates in your device's app store and install any available updates to improve functionality and fix bugs. Step 3. Clear app cache. If you're using the app on a mobile device, clearing the app cache can help resolve scanning errors. Go to your device settings, find the QuickBooks Self-Employed app, and clear the cache to refresh the app's performance. Step 4. Rescan the receipt. If a specific receipt is causing issues, try rescanning it. Ensure that the receipt is well lit, flat, and that all text is clearly visible. This can help the app better recognize the information. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to QuickBooks support for assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps or escalate the issue if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve receipt scanning errors in QuickBooks Self-Employed. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support for further guidance.